Hey everybody, welcome back to the Paul Thompson YouTube channel. Yes, and can you guess? I'm going to be demoisturizing the near side headlight on my Focus ST. As you can see, the focus is getting a bit tatty, but recently I've had a lot of condensation build up in the light unit. I believe there's a draining vent, so I'm going to see if that's blocked. But literally what I'm going to do is unscrew it, unplug the connectors at the back of the light, take the light unit out and see what's going on, see where it's like letting water in. Who knows? Anyway, stick with me for the next few minutes as I run through what I'm going to be doing. There we go, the light unit is out. It is literally just one connector plug. You can see all the dust and dirt that builds up behind the headlights, cobwebs, all of that I will clean out. That's the front chassis leg, this is the crush zone, and this is the light unit. Now, I don't know if that's a drain hole, but I can say that is a drain plug there. Now, I'm going to actually remove that. I'm not too sure how easy it does come out. It should just pull, but I'm going to give it a quick blow. But yeah, apart from dust, that is clean. So I'm now going to look at trying to remove access points to the back of the light, like said so, and see if I can get some heat into the unit and possibly vacuum out the actual area where the water's coming in. Right, so as you can see, I've gone and got my heat gun with the tiny nozzle attachment. I've managed to open the vent on the back there. I've taken the indicator bulb out, I've taken the vent out there. I haven't taken the back of the main lights out, but just from breathing that little bit, it's already done something. So I'm just going to force some warm air into here and see what it does. Well, here we go. I caved. I took the back off just so it could vent a little bit more. I did remove the side light bulb there because that accesses straight through to the inside of the light cluster, even though it's actually separated from the main lens. The part you need is a T10. It's a tiny little Torx bolt that just sits in the end of there. I've cleaned all around the rubber seal that's in the lid just to make sure it's seating okay, cleaned out the little gully around here, and hopefully that will give it a little bit of a better seal. It does look like somebody's been into the actual part between the plastic, because some of these clips are okay, but if you look on the inside edge or the outside edge, the clip is missing, so it just doesn't look similar. As you will see, I've allowed it to vent, I've heated it, bit dirty, but a lot of this I think burn, as I've tried before. I won't get out, but it's definitely just got a yellowing, hasn't it? If you remember, I treated it with that special clear coat stuff, 4 lights, but I will run probably a bead of sealant just around the edge, and I'm now debating whether to leave the lower vent cap off. I was just doing some reading on it just to be sure, but officially it shouldn't let any water in, but it does. Right, so the headlight unit, although it looks a bit pasty, is dry enough to put back in. You do have the one connector on the back to go. See if I can do that with one hand and hold my camera with the other. The plug will only go on one way. That part goes to that side, and just make sure when you put it on, it actually goes on with a proper click. There we go. Although this lens is not perfect, as you would have seen in previous videos, I've got all the condensation out, put it all back together, checked all the lights to make sure they're all working, all the bulbs even, and everything is good. So one of the jobs crossed off on the list as I prep my car for winter. I still use it as a daily throughout the winter. If you do want to see all the little jobs that I end up doing to the car throughout the ownership, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment. Let me know about your headlight woes on a Mk2 Focus ST, or any car if that is the case. Anyway, join me in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
Wow.